If someone take my phone, after that also I can check that which application that he uses for how long after he removes that application from recent apps. Let me show you how you can also do this. For this, you have to run this code in your dial pad. Here you can see usage statistics. Go to this option. Here you can see all those last used applications in your phone. Do you know in recent Android update, you can easily drag and drop the photos or text whichever you want to share with someone like iOS. With the name of iOS, I remember one camera trick that is really super helpful for you guys. Do you know that you can also take random burst photos in your iPhone? For this, you just need to drag left your shutter button. It will take multiple photos. Later that you can choose the best photo from them. I am going to share 30 smartphone hacks with you guys that are going to be a beginner to pro to master. I can predict that what you guys are thinking. Don't worry, I am not sharing those unusual hacks that how to charge your phone with potato or lemon. I am going to share those hacks that I use in my day-to-day life as a techie guy that really makes my life more easier and simple. You just need to long press your space bar to use your keyboard as your mouse so that you can easily move your cursor wherever you want. You don't have to take multiple screenshots in a routine way because this trick will help you take your whole screenshot in just one tap. Just click on the screenshot that you took and here you can see full page option. Click here. That's it. Let me know in comments how is it. To shuffle your recent apps, just slide your gesture bar instead going to your recent apps. You might have seen this icon in your Google Home. It is totally customizable. Let me show you how you can customize it. Head over to your Chrome settings. Here you can see toolbar shortcut. To open this, here are only limited number of options. Select that according to your usage. Just enter underscore in the beginning and the end of your WhatsApp message. It will automatically convert the text into italic. I know it is a bit tougher to use your smartphone with a single hand. At this time, you just need to swipe down your gesture bar. It will automatically turn on the one hand mode. And it will work in both iOS and Android. I saw that many iOS users don't know about this trick where you can share your handwritten messages to the opposite person. For this, treat your phone in iMessages. Here you can see this icon, swipe with your fingers and share with your friends. And if your handwriting is not good like as me, then here are some pre-written texts that really impress the opposite person. Do you know that you can also use your iPhone with your voice? For this, you just need to enable the voice control in accessibility. So after this, you can use your phone with your voice.
Open YouTube. Open Instagram.
I know that voice control command in the iPhone is one of the common feature in every iPhone, but there is one hidden command that no one is sharing with you. You just need to say show grid command after enabling your voice control. Here you can see all those grids including with some numbers. With the help of these numbers, you can align specific tasks to that number. One more task is there for you guys, that is Musahibs subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more upcoming videos like this. Don't need to worry if you unfortunately delete something important data in your iPhone. You just need to swipe left with your 3 fingers to recover the deleted data. If you also have very low storage phone, then this trick is really hidden gem for you. Head over to your Play Store settings. Here you can see archive apps. Enable this setting. This setting won't delete your data, but it will increase your storage. This trick is really going to impress you. After writing your message, here you can see arrow bar. Click on that. Here you can see multiple animations. Select the animation that you want. I know it is a bit tougher to zoom in and zoom out on Google Maps while holding luggages in our another hand, but I have a hack for you guys that is going to make your life easier. Just double tap on your screen and swipe up and swipe down to zoom in and zoom out. You don't need to use the select all routine option in your iPhone. You just need to double tap to select the word, and if you triple tap, it will select the whole text. This setting will help you to take a look at your previous page without going back to that page. Head over to your advanced settings and here search predictive back gesture. Enable that setting. I know that all of us hate this announcement. This call is being recorded now, but with the help of this setting, you can convert this announcement into a beep sound. Open your call recording settings. Here you can see beep instead of announcement. Enable that option. That's it. If you want to shuffle your browser pages, you just need to swipe right or left on your browser page. Head over to your dialer settings. In the bottom, you can see flip to silent. Just enable this option. Later that whenever you will flip your phone, it will automatically turn on the silent mode. Mostly iPhone users, they will reset the whole data in calculator if they do any mistake because there is no backspace button. To delete single digit in your iPhone, you just need to swipe right or swipe left on your screen. It will automatically delete the single digit in your calculator. You just need to click on the plus icon on the left hand side of the search bar. From there, you can directly select the application and link and send them directly. This trick is really going to be super useful trick for you guys because with the help of this trick, you can read the deleted message without any third-party app. What is go to your settings and then turn on notification history. Now you can read all those deleted messages without any third-party application. If you also want to take a screenshot in your iPhone with a single tap, then go head over to your accessibilities and then assist touch. After this, select the screenshot option for single tap. If your phone also have battery draining issue, then go to developer options. Here search running apps. From here you can see all those background running apps. If you are also big in any particular language, then enable live caption setting before you are going to listen that language because this setting will turn your voice into words. In recent Android update, if you want to take a screenshot of a particular area, you just need to drag and hold with your 3 fingers. It will take that area screenshot. Go to your keyboard settings. Here you can see floating keyboard option. Enable that option. Now you can move your keyboard wherever you want on your screen. That's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to share with your friends and family, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more upcoming videos like this. And thank you so much. Finally, we are 700 subscribers on our YouTube family. Keep supporting. See you in the next video with your daily dose.